Mark your calendars. NASA's Artemis program to return to the moon could launch its first uncrewed test flight as soon as August 29, the agency said. Artemis 1 is the first in a series of missions as the United States seeks to return humans to the moon, build a sustained presence there, and use the lessons gained to plan a trip to Mars sometime in the 2030s. The last tests, carried out in June, met 90% of the team's goals, and Cliff Lanham, Senior Vehicle Operations Manager, said engineers have now replaced faulty seals that had caused a hydrogen leak on SLS during the final trial. Artemis 1 is set to journey around the far side of the moon in a mission lasting 4 to 6 weeks, longer than any ship for astronauts has done without docking, before returning home faster and hotter than every vessel before. Artemis 2 will be the first crewed test, flying around the moon but not landing, while Artemis 3 will see the first woman and first person of color touch down on the lunar South Pole.